Skelex develops exoskeletons for industrial applications. Our technology empowers those working in laborious jobs by augmenting the strength of their bodies so that they can have a healthy and productive life without the risk of disabling injuries.
At Envelio, we are developing the Intelligent Grid Platform, a software as a service solution tailored for distribution grid operators. Based on 5 PhD theses, we enable a faster and more cost-efficient grid integration of renewables and charging plants.
Percepto solves the inability to collect visual data autonomously today in big industrial sites. We use different kinds of robotic technologies from autonomous drones to ground robots to go collect information from the site autonomously with no person on site, and then convert that data that is collected into insights that enable the site to take actions on any faults that might be found.